Happy morning. Abisa English welcomes you. Our today's topic is ERC from 11th poem Once Upon a Time by Gabriel Okera. This is given from your reduced syllabus. ERC. It means explain with reference to the context, and this question carries 3 marks each. Name of the poem 1 mark, name of the poet 1 mark, explanation 1 mark, and context does not carry any mark. So you can skip writing context. Now coming to the first ERC. Once upon a time, son, they used to laugh with their eyes. Reference. These lines are taken from the poem Once Upon a Time by Gabriel Okera. Explanation. The poet tells his son that people in the past were true and genuine in their attitude. They weren't fake like the modern people. Whenever they laughed, the warmth was shown in their eyes. Now proceeding to the second ERC. There will be no thrice. There will be no thrice. Reference. The given line is taken from the poem Once Upon a Time by Gabriel Okera. Explanation. The poet tells his son that modern people utter words of welcome, but those words come only from the tip of their tongues and not from the depth of their hearts. When their house is visited for the third time, their doors are found shut. Now proceeding to the third ERC given in your textbooks. I have learned to wear many faces like dresses. I have learned to wear many faces like dresses. Reference. The given line is from the poem Once Upon a Time by Gabriel Okera. Explanation. The poet admits to his son that he has become a hypocrite. He tells him that he has learned to change his facial expressions according to the situations for social acceptance, like changing of clothes for different occasions. Now proceeding to the last ERC. I want to be what I used to be. I want to be what I used to be. Reference. The given line is taken from the poem Once Upon a Time by Gabriel Okera. Explanation. The poet regrets for having become a hypocrite. He tells his son that he wishes to be a child again and laugh genuinely. He yearns to get back his childhood innocence. Dear children, I hope this ERC video was very useful to you. We shall meet in our next class with another topic, another new topic. Until then, thank you. Wish you good luck. God bless you. Thank you, children. Thank you.